So today I am going to take you across all the continents and all the countries that I know personally. It is going to be a place where you can jump from one time to another time. Where are we right now? So can I have the place where you are right now?
I'm in India.
So you are in India, okay. And who else is from India? Is everyone from India?
Me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the others? Where in India are you from?
No. Tamil Nadu.
Tamil. Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
You're from Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka.
Kolkata. Karnataka. Okay. Karnataka.
Karnataka. Yes.
Okay. And that's it. Okay. So I am also from Tamil Nadu and I am right now in a place called Chennai. But have you ever wondered where this all these places come into?
Master, I was in Chennai.
Okay, okay.
Me too, Chennai, sir.
Sagar, your voice is too loud, so don't shout. Less voice is good, okay? Because everybody is also wearing headphones. So if you talk so loud, everybody's eardrum will break. So I can't blame them for you, okay? Next, so we all know that the earth is round, but here it looks very flat. Have you ever wondered why? Why?
Because the earth sometimes gets flat. This is a map.
Okay, this is a map. Okay. So like this, if you try to make it round, it looks like this. So it becomes a
Yeah,
globe.
in graphics.
It becomes a globe. So in this globe, it has happened for a very long time. It looks like a jigsaw puzzle. So when you try to move your continents across the space, it looks something like a jigsaw puzzle. So why is that so? When it was very long time, when it was very long time ago, there used to be a lot of water in our planet, and all the continents were all in a one place. It was called a supercontinent. It's called Pangea. So all these places, when they start to break out, they became independent, small continents, and we have Asia, Africa, uh, North America, South America, Australia. All these places started coming out one from other. So we know there is also a reason why there are lots of jigsaw puzzles that are deep inside the water. This is called tectonic plates. So what happens when they two join together? When they hit, they either go up or they go down. So when they go down, they can create a big valley. This is when you have two tall mountains, and when there is a small opening in the middle, it is called a valley. But what happens if it goes very tall? It can sometimes create a big, huge mountain, or it can even create a big tsunami. So, what is the most famous place for tsunami?
Japan.
Very good. How do you know that?
No, sir, I have heard my father.
Okay, fine. So, what is also other thing very famous for Japan?
Robotics.
Okay. Anything else?
Paper art.
Origami. Okay, that is called origami. Good. Anything else? Anything else apart from origami? Okay, I'll give you a clue. Okay, the word tsunami is a Japanese word for monster wave. Okay, it is a meaning for monster wave. What other thing can you think when it comes to monsters and attacking monsters?
Earthquake.
Earthquake is also there, but there is something that is very huge, that is very dark, very how do you say? Mm, Lethal. How it has got lots of weapons. It's a very famous thing from Japan.
Sir, could you give another clue?
Okay, it is okay. I'll give you another clue. Probably, if I give you to another slide, you can tell me. Can you tell me what is this?
Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, turtles.
Ninjas.
Okay. They are called ninjas. So these ninjas, how did they get their name?
Because they do amazing tricks.
Don't do amazing tricks only. They've also been the bodyguard for the king, the emperor of Japan. the dynasty of people who rule one after the other, they have their specific bodyguards. They have these people called ninjas, who are their loyal warriors who will take care of them in day and night. So, where is Japan?
Japan is top of the Pacific Ocean.
Okay, almost in the Pacific Ocean. So, it is in the corner bordering between East Asia.
It's in Asia.
It's in East Asian border. When you cross that, it becomes Pacific, Northern Pacific Ocean, and then you can reach the North American continent. So here it is called as the land of the rising sun, because the first international date line used to cross through Japan between 1800s, that is around 150 years ago. Now it has crossed even further. It is now in another island which is still farther into it. It is called Samoa Island, that is in the Central Pacific region. So it is somewhere, it is somewhere here. It is just above New Zealand, and it is right to that of Papua New Guinea Island. So that is the international date line. That is the first time the sunlight comes into our planet. That is the first place where it comes to planet. Okay, now what do we know about ninjas? What did I tell you about ninjas?
Ninjas need a bodyguard for the Emperor of Japan. Ninjas take care of the people from day to night.
Okay, so they are mostly wearing black color costume. You know why?
They can easily
hide.
They can easily blend and they can easily hide, and moreover, if they get to some other places, like when there is very much crowded area, they can easily blend and they can hide and they can disappear when they are very dark. So they can go into dark places and they can hide quickly. But they carry a lot of weapons. So they carry Yumi, that is the bow, and then carry Shurin, that is sharp blades. They use
Shuriken.
Okay.
I heard this.
They use a lot of weapons to distract people, but most of them, they don't use it for any lethal killing means. So they always use it to protect people. Only when it is necessary, they will kill people. That is the way in which ninjas codes are there. So, but when they started using the first generation of ninjas, they did not have the purpose to go fight everything. So what they did, they were very calm, friendly people who were only doing farming. You know what is that? They used to grow paddy, they used to grow wheat, they used to build houses. All these things they were doing for a very long time. Only after some major war that came in the late 15th, 16th century, they became a very warrior active people.
Sir,
Yes.
I heard about katana and shuriken, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So all these things that we see right now in films, that they will wear only black, they are only known for being very lethal killing machine. All these things are sins that came after the invention of movies, Hollywood films. So that is about ninjas. So also a very cool thing. How do you tell time? Or how do you normally tell time?
see the clock.
Okay, and there is also old method of doing this.
The sun clock.
This why seeing the sun.
Seeing
The
the
sun
sun.
clock.
That is called, what is the other name for seeing the sun and telling time?
The shadow.
They used to take a stick, put it in the ground, notice how the shadow is, how long the shadow is. There is a method for it. Any guess? Any clue you want?
Yeah.
Yes, I want to.
Okay, it is something to do with dialing something. You know what is dial? Okay, it is called sundial. The method of sun shadow, the method is called sundial. So when you have sun and a long stick, you can tell time based on the shadow it forms. But ninjas don't have all the liberty to go out and see the sun and tell the time. So what they did, they found a method to use the eyes of a cat to tell what time it is. See, notice from morning 5 till night 11 o'clock, they can tell the time by looking at the eyes of the cat. So if it is very big, very wide, it means the time is on either on the day or it is either on the night. If they are in the indoors, then probably they can't tell if it is day or night. But when it is outside, when they can move around, they can see, they can look. It is very dark. It is obviously night, 11 o'clock, when the eyes are very wide. So they used to tell this by looking at the cat's eye. So how is this fact? Is this interesting, or have you ever wondered how cats look at their eyes?
No, sir. Why does this happen?
This is because normally when you are looking at something, your pupils, that is your eyes black area, gets bigger. So this is something to do with kind of attention that you have in your light and ambient place. So what happens when people are wondering how things are moving across their field of view? Ninjas were looking at the cats. So when ninjas were looking at the cats, they were wondering, why is this cat having a very large eye in the morning? Why is it having a very short eye? Because when it is so bright, your eyes can't take that so much of light. So it normally becomes very small. So like that, they were able to know, okay, acha, it is in the morning. So it is in the afternoon. It is in the night. So that they found the time of the cat. Interesting? Okay, next, moving on.
Yes, ma'am.
Who are Rajputs? Have you heard of Rajputs?
Yes, sir.
Where are they from?
No, sir.
Okay, no sir. No
They
problem.
were kings.
Okay, they are kings. But which part of India did they rule?
Some not.
Okay. There is a place where you can say it starts with Raj. One of the states in India starts with Raj. Which state?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Correct. So they were predominantly very capable warriors. They were called warrior kings of India, who they used to fight a lot of Marathan Empire, other empires that were found across India by that time. So normally what they do, all the other people who come to invade Rajputs, they will bring elephants. But where is Rajasthan? What is there in Rajasthan?
Camel.
Camel is there, okay. Deserts, camels are there. And apart from that, what else is there?
A very hot climate.
Hot climate, yes. So can elephants live in hot climate?
No, sir.
So sad thing. So what they did, they developed a way to train their horses to live a longer time in the summer months. So every time after the summer months are over, people from other places start to come and attack them. So what they did, they made an ingenious way. They added some trunk in front of the horse, so it looks like a baby elephant.
Oh, sir.
Oh, isn't it? It's like, okay, putting makeup. So when you want to have a mustache, what will you do? You are not old enough to have mustache, so you will start to draw with a black pen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that, the Rajput king, if we dress up a horse like a small baby elephant, then the big elephant will not attack it. Why?
Because it is a baby.
It's a baby, so it will think that it is a very small child. It will try to pat it. So cute, like that it will do, and it will go away. So like that, they were tricking the big elephant from not attacking them, and they slowly started gaining a lot of popularity. See, from Japan to India, they were very smart warriors, correct? Okay, so the next thing. So what is this? What is a passport?
Passport.
Passport when we want
We
to
need
go
passport
somewhere
to travel.
to travel. Yes, we have to travel. We need passport to travel from every place. It's based on our marks. They can get
Okay. Okay. And how many of you think do you have passport? How many of you have passport? One. Only one. Sagar, you don't have passport? I have passport. Okay. And my passport is going to expire in another 4 months, 5 months, I guess. I have to renew it. So what does it do? What does having a passport do in your life?
If we show that we can travel to lots of countries.
Okay, correct. A passport is kind of like your identity
Maybe
card.
have some old photos or new photos.
It is like having your own identity. So when you travel to another country, it means that you are a citizen of another country, and I am permitting you to come in, so that if you leave that by that time, that is from May 1 to May 30, if you stay in America, you can enter and exit without any problem. So it is like your identity card. Whenever you enter your school, you show your ID card, right? So it is similar to that. Okay. So Americans have 20%, they have passport. What about India? How many people do we have? In our group, we only have 2 people have passports. So how much do you think? Will it be more? Will it be high?
It'll be high.
It will be high. How many of you say high?
Me.
1,
Because it has
Two.
lot of population than America.
4, 2 people are saying high. Who are saying low? 3 people. Nobody is saying low. Okay, fine. So the reason is, as you all know, India only has 5.5% of its population which has passport. The reason, because India did not have a lot of population which was able to afford a passport. So passport requires you to have a means and necessity to have a higher stature in the need to travel. That is, when you want to go out of your country, what is the first thing that you need to do?
Could you ask the question again?
When you want to travel out of the country, what is the first thing you need to do?
Passport.
Okay, apart from passport, what else do you need?
You
First we
need
have to book.
suitcase, and then we have to go give our ID.
Huh?
And when we are hungry,
Travel.
Oh, what did you say about ticket? How many tickets do you want to buy?
One ticket for it.
One ticket, and how many times? Only onward or with return also? Do you want only onward ticket or also return ticket?
Both.
both.
So that means we need to have money to buy both these things. So India, the population, it is not very wealthy enough to afford both tickets. So that is the reason why Indian population is still not able to make up the amount that is needed for having its own passport. And the next point, the total weight of all the ants in the entire world can overweigh a human's weight. How big is it? So how much do we weigh? What is the weight of our human body?
Bigger than siren head.
What is the weight of me? How much do I weigh? Any guess?
Sir, how can I? We know, sir. Only
Okay,
you can.
I will tell you. It is a number between 75 to 85.
What?
Yeah.
80.
Yeah, I am around 80 kilograms. So I am around 6 foot tall. So a normal human being with my height should be somewhere around 80 kilograms. But when you take all the people in the world and you put them in a one place and you start to weigh them, that will be equal to that of having weight of a ant. How big will that be? So how do you know that it is so much weight? Because normally the ants are known to stay very close to each other. So here you can see a small ant, it is carrying about 50 times its body weight. So it is around 1 gram to 1 to 1.5 grams, but it can carry something close to around 500 grams if it wants to carry. Sorry, 50 grams if it wants to carry. So that is the kind
Sir,
of.
have you heard about siren head?
Haven't heard. What is it about?
It's a really high monster. It's a monster, and in the ears it looks like a siren, and it has no eyes and no mouth.
Okay.
But it's like a tree.
Okay. Oh, okay. Something new. I will try to find out more about it. Okay.
Sir, after the class, I will show you what siren head.
Okay. Very good. Super. Cool. So there are only 3 countries in the entire world which are only not adopting the metric system. What is metric system? Have you heard of this metric system?
Yes, sir.
What is
No,
metric
sir.
system?
Sir, it's like the meter, kilometer, or the metric system.
Super. Very good. What other thing is metric?
SI units of system.
That is technically correct. But any other thing that you would say accounts for metric? How do you say petrol? How much do you say is the quantity of petrol? Petrol, diesel.
Liters.
Okay. What is the opposite of metric system when you say in liter? Have you heard this word?
Sir, can you say?
It is called gallon. 1 gallon, 2
Yes,
gallon.
sir.
Gallon, 1 gallon, 2 gallon. So most of the countries in the world have adopted.
Sir, what's the meaning of gallon?
Gallon is a measure of quantity that is turning
How
towards
much?
liquid.
How much liters is 1 gallon?
It is around 1.67, I guess. 1.67. 1.67 liters is somewhere around that. So all these people around the world who are either ruled by Britain or some of the European countries have adopted the metric system. That is kilogram, meter, seconds, all these things that come in metric system. But the people from America, Liberia, Myanmar, and sometimes even Britain also are only following other systems, that is non-imperial systems. How different it is. So this is how different it is. So when you say temperature, when we say Celsius, what is it? What is your daily temperature? What is the temperature in right now in a place where I stay?
32 degree
32 degree what?
Celsius.
Celsius. So we all say in Celsius, but when you go to America or when you go to Burma,
They say Fahrenheit.
they say in Fahrenheit. So all these things are different. And when we say day, month, and year, that is the normal way we see in the calendar. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But in when you go to America, how will they say?
Month, day, month, day, yes.
So they'll put the day in the middle and the month in the front. So that is how they. So today is May 2nd, 2021. They will not say 2nd May 2021. So that is how different it is, and they say a lot of things differently. They say
Sometimes I even say like
that's normal. So even they say something in inches, they say in yards, they say in ounces. Someone is joining the meeting.
pounds.
So everything is quite different. So whenever they try to look at our world, they see, why are you doing all these things in Celsius? We are doing it for Fahrenheit, but the rest of the world is doing it. That is quite different from us and the Americans. So same thing I told you. The entire world we call, what is the way we call petrol? How do you say petrol?
Petrol.
Liters. Petrol we say in liters, but when you go to America, they say it is oil. It is called gasoline. Gas, oil. So they consume around 2 liters of petrol at an average in America. So that is so different. So when you talk about things that are here in India, it is different there in America. When you say it is very common, but people say in a different way. That is the difference in what I told you before. So between metric system and the imperial system. So who likes cats?
Me.
Everybody likes cats?
I love cat. I'm a cat lover. I love cats.
Okay. So this kind
I
of
like Persian cats.
very good, super. So most of the Persian cats are either brown or black.
I've heard this one.
Brown or black, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you
White Persian cats, we can give more names like Milky, Vanilla, Snowy, like.
everybody loves to have pet, and I am also very fond of it. But the thing is, when you go to America and you show
Sir,
them,
I have a cartoon cat. Can I show you?
not now, not now, later after the class we can show. Okay, so all these people in the America, they will say, oh, you bad luck, it is a bad luck to have black cats. But when you go to Japan, the opposite side of the world, they say all the cats is always good luck. Even bad luck is also not there in their country when it comes to cats, because there used to be an island full of cats in Japan. There is a cat island in Japan. So butterflies, what is so cool about them?
They are colorful.
They are colorful.
They
They're obviously very colorful.
they have
They
long.
fly and they look pretty.
They are obviously,
The color
They can taste
combination
with
is
it.
really good.
They taste with their feet.
okay. No, do you know why? Why do they have to taste with their feet?
Because they can.
They smell with the antenna, and then how it can taste with his mouth? Butterfly doesn't have any mouth, right?
Butterflies, they do have mouth.
Butterfly taste with their feet, sir. It would check if it is poison or not.
Correct. Very good. Super. Yeah, very good. Very good. Give him a big hand. Okay. The reason is, when the butterfly is trying to find its food, it is supposed to make possible only with the flowers that are known for having more health or nutrition. If it tries to kill it, they will never go to it. So what they do, they will leave a small scent so that any other butterflies, when they come and notice, they can pick up that scent and they can start eating it. But if they don't give a scent, if they die, they will not know that for sure, then they will never go near that flower again. So that is how butterflies, they usually touch their feet and feel if it is healthy or not. So if it is finding healthy, then they'll pick up that pollen from that flower and move it to another flower, so that they can also go and create new other fruits or vegetables or whatever it may be. So that's how things are happening in the garden. So what was yesterday? What is so special about yesterday?
It's Labor's Day.
Not Labour.
Laborers.
Labor Day.
Labor.
Labor Day.
Labor.
Labor Day.
Laborers Day.
Labor. Whatever it is. So it is a day where we all know for sure that before a very okay, we are in the which year we are in right now? What is the year?
2021.
2021. 2021.
2021. So what is 150 years in back?
150.
1 second, sir. 1870.
Okay. 1870 or 80?
70.
1870 is the right answer. So in 1870, there used to be a large industrial movement. So everywhere around the world, people were trying to find work. But when they have to work continuously. There is no rest day. So people got very tired. So there were a lot of big machines. There were a lot of work related to making new clothes. They did not find enough time to turn off and go to sleep. So they all over the world, people started revolting. You know what is revolt? What is revolt?
Asking for rest. Fighting.
Okay, and what do you say when some teacher comes to your class and say, today you don't have PT period, everybody go study science? What will you say?
No.
You like science period more than PT period?
Yeah.
Okay, anybody else apart from Samyukta? Do everybody like sitting and reading, or do they want to go out and enjoy in the PT period? Hello? Is everybody there?
Yes, sir.
Everybody became silent. Do you like PT period or not? No. You don't know what is PT period? What is PT period? Can anyone tell me what is PT period?
Games period, sir.
Playing time.
Game time. Okay. So teacher is saying that today no game time. Everybody sit in your class and read science. What will you all say? Okay, ma'am. Okay,
No.
sir.
No. No.
Saying no first thing, then what will you say?
But you're a PT teacher. You are not a science teacher.
Okay, imagine that I am your PD teacher.
Yes.
Then what will you say?
Why I will ask?
So you will say why. Why is it today we are not going to play games and why we are going to study science? So this kind of question people started asking in 1870s, and they said it is the right time for us to have our own rights, so that we will work for 8 hours, go home and take care of our family for 8 hours, and then we'll sleep for 8 hours. So 8, 8, 8. So it became their first thing for all their life. So that day became the International Labour's Day. So 1st of May is called International Labour's Day because of that reason. Sounds good? So all around the world people follow that as a tradition. There is also one other thing which is very famous for 1st of May. Who are these guys?
I don't know.
I've never heard of these two people.
I've heard on it.
Okay, they are the most bad people in the world who had lived in the last century. So they have killed more than thousands and thousands of people when they were taking care of their people. This is called war. So people go to war only for the reason to kill other people. So both Hitler and Osama bin Laden had been in war with different time period. So Hitler was there in the middle of 1930s, 1940s, and almost to the end of 1945 he was there. And bin Laden was there from middle of 1990s to the about 2008. So he was there. So both of them were cornered and killed on the day May 1st. That was yesterday. So all these things that has happened across the world is a reason for us to...
They got dead yesterday?
No, not yesterday. Some day in the past year. That is 2008, I guess. And Hitler was killed in 1945. So it is a different time.
Sir,
but
who was Hitler?
Hitler was he was a very he's a very
the right one or the left one?
Oh, the one in your right is Hitler. The one with the turban is Osama bin Laden. So Hitler has a very famous mustache. So he has a very short mustache that comes out of his nose. So he's a very bad guy who killed more than 10,000 people at the same time. It's a very famous guy. So this is a fact that you should know, because when you are very bad, you will get killed by the good people. So no, never ever try to be bad. Be always good. Okay, be good to each other and be good to the person next to you. Don't ever go.
Ma'am, yesterday they got dead.
Yeah, they were declared dead sometime in the past on May 1st. So both things happened. So one thing is there was a day where almost every people in the world started asking for their own rest time. That also happened in May 1st. And two of the worst people in the history of the world died in the May 1st. So both these things happened in our world yesterday. So these are the facts for today. So we'll have some interactive session now. So what do you want to ask? You can ask. You wanted to show me your Persian cat. You can show me your Persian cat. Let's see the Persian cat. How big it is.
After, let's see about cyanide.
Okay, you can see about cyanide. Okay. Anybody else have any question?
Sir, wait, sir. Let me show you about cyanide.
Okay. I hope it is not.
Sir,
very...
shall I ask?
Yeah, please. I hope it is not very scary.
Sir, does butterflies make honey?
Does butterflies
make honey?
Butterflies, they like the product before honey. There is something called nectar.
It is a little bit scary, okay?
I don't want to see. I don't want to see. I'll hide my screen.
No, I'll show next class because it's sleeping.
Okay.
Here he is.
I don't want to see.
Sir, he's not scary, sir.
It's scary. It looks a bit scary. I don't like scary things.
This is how he looks like in full size.
Sir, you can't see him clearly, right?
Okay, fine. No
I
problem.
can show you clearly.
No, I'm very scared
He
of
will
these
eat
things.
you.
I don't want to say. I'm very
I
scared.
will show you, sir.
Nothing doing.
Be scared.
It has teeth in his side.
I'm removing you from the meeting.
No, sir.
Then please don't do that. Okay. So butterflies, they actually taste. Okay, let me answer Samyukta. Butterflies, they taste something that is before honey. Honey is a product that comes from bees. So from flowers, nectar. They go into pollen. From pollen, it becomes honey and all these things. So butterflies take the nectar. That is, they take the product that comes before honey. Okay, cool.
Sir, can you wait for a moment?
Yes, please.
I will put the charges.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you have any questions?
Will the human body features change in next years?
Depends on what age you are. Okay, there are few things that can grow in your body as you grow. Can you either guess some of the features that change?
Wrinkles?
Pimples are just things that come temporarily and they'll go away after some time. What about other things? Say like your nails, your fingers. There is something that even hair grows every day hair grows. There is something that grows throughout your life. That is going to grow throughout your life. It will never stop growing. No. Height, you will stop growing after the age of 24, 25.
Age.
Age is obviously going to be there. Age is going to come. Hair.
Weight.
Hair will not grow after the age of 60, 65.
Weight.
Nails bones will not grow after the age of 12, 14.
Water?
No. What is there? What is there in between your eyes and your mouth?
Nose.
So nose keeps growing all the time till you are very, very old.
But it doesn't look like it changed.
No, you can go and ask. You can go and look at your grandpa's nose, grandma's nose. So most of their noses will be very long from the day they were born. But your eyes don't grow. Your tongue doesn't grow. Your lips don't grow.
Sir, I have another doubt.
Yes, please.
Why does the eyebrows doesn't grow?
Why does the eyebrows doesn't?
Eyebrows, no, sir. Eyelashes.
Why don't they grow?
Doesn't grow.
They do grow, but they keep falling after some 2 weeks or 3 weeks. They don't grow all the time. So after 2 to 3 weeks, they will keep falling. So most of the scientists who are in space, who are in the International Space Station, they need to constantly cut their eyebrows also from time to time, because they have because they don't have any water to wash their face. They don't have any cleaning things there very often with their eyes or eye socket, anything. They have to constantly clean, because the small hairs will disturb your ventilation system in the spacecraft. So they don't want to have the hair going around in space. So they'll try to clean it up. They'll use some vacuum cleaner to clean their hair and all these things, so that it doesn't flow around. I have a very big interesting fact about space station, living in space and all. So maybe sometime later after this month I will show you. I have around 2 to 3 hours of interesting facts about space. But this month we are not going to go to space. We are going to be in Earth and see all the facts about Earth. Okay, probably next month. Okay. You have any questions?
No, sir, one of my
Let her speak. She wants to speak.
sir,
Kalai
actually one of my friend actually popped his eyeball.
I'm not going to hear any more scary stories from Sagar. Kalai, you have any question?
My name is not Kalayarasi, sir.
Okay.
My name is Lakshya.
Lakshya, okay. Lakshya, you have any questions?
Why the earth is round, sir?
Why the earth is round? Because the most...
Sir, how are planets formed?
Okay, that's an interesting question, but I think I have...
By the solar system.
No. The most easy shape to form in the entire universe is circle. Have you ever seen a water drop? Have you seen a water drop? Have you seen a water drop?
Yes.
Okay. Have you seen rain? Have you seen a rain?
Yeah.
Okay. So
no, sir.
What is the shape of a water drop that comes from the sky?
Here. Here.
Okay.
Oval.
It looks something like this. It's a slightly elongated oval shape. Okay.
That's why I call
it. There'll be a tip of the top and then circle that only.
So that is
slightly like a cone.
It is slightly like a cone on the top and round in the bottom.
Sir, one of my friends turned his neck.
Okay. So all these things.
Backwards.
Okay, fine. All these things are known to be in the fundamental shape that is there in the universe. So,
sir, one of Sagar's friend turned his head like this.
Okay, no more scary stories. So, Lakshya, when we try to put anything that is in any other shape, say like square, rectangle, what other shapes do you know, Lakshya?
Cone.
Okay, cone. Cylinder. Okay. Any
Hectagon,
other?
septagon, trapezium.
All shapes from dodecahedron to every polyhedron you can put in your space. It tries to.
Sir, one of my friend touched the tongue into the back head.
Wait. I'll finish and then you will talk. Okay. All these shapes, when you put it in a space, it starts to hit each other and they start to form a round shape. So that is something to do with our gravity. You know what is gravity?
Yes, sir.
So this gravity is the main culprit for creating all these shapes. So when gravity is not there, all these shapes will have a free form. So they'll take the form that you always wanted to say. So as Lakshya said, cone, cylinder, sphere, or Samyukta's tetrahedron, polyhedron, all these things, it'll all become something fundamental when you have a round shape. So all the planets are mostly round shape because of that. They got hit all the time and they started forming the round shape. Have you seen asteroids?
Yes.
Yes.
When you try googling some asteroids in the solar system, you will find odd shape. It look like potato, some look like peanut.
It looks like an idli.
Some will look like idli. All the different shapes will be there.
The shape is called potassium.
Every other shape is there. That is the reason why we have lots and lots of asteroids in different shape, but not planets. Planets are always round.
Sir, look at the same two words, sir. Potato, potassium.
Okay, potassium. That is not potassium.
It's the same word, right?
We will also talk more about astronomy when we take another class. There is some other class. I'll share you links. It will be very interesting to know all the facts about astronomy.
Sir, why is there less gravity in other planets?
That is okay. That is something to do with the planet's surface area and the distance from the larger object. So have you ever tried to
So look at Sagar's screen.
I don't want to see. So have you ever tried to throw a ball in water?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you ever tried to throw a ball in your playground where there is a lot of sand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, but a little.
So what is the difference between throwing a ball there in water, and what is the difference in throwing ball in
They
sand?
don't jump.
So the reason
Water
is
don't jump. Ball
In
jump.
water, the ball won't bounce. In the ground, it will come.
okay. Now I am going to tell you in a different place. You take that ball and you go deep into the water. Okay. Take that ball, go deep into the water, and you let go of that ball.
This is water. It will go up.
My ball.
Okay. You put it. You put into the water. What will happen to that?
Now I'm gonna put
I am not.
the
I'm not responsible for whatever going to happen. So what will happen? Will the ball stay in your hand, or where will it go?
It will go up, sir.
Why?
Because of its
The
mass.
ball is light.
Because of its mass.
Lightweight.
Lightweight, mass, all things are correct. But what is inside that ball?
And
So which is more heavy? Water is heavy or air is heavy?
sir,
So
I got hurt here. Sir.
obviously air will try to
I got
escape.
hurt here.
Okay.
Sir.
I know. Please, quiet. So the air in that ball will go up. So that is the reason. So similarly, we have different planets with different gravity, all that. Okay. So I think we are almost to the end. So we'll catch up next week. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye. Sir, a tiger wins.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, sir.